Grand statue of Shivaji Maharaj to become a reality. The Shiv Smarak project is one of the most ambitious projects ever undertaken, as the construction would happen on a small island in the Arabian Sea. The construction of the Grand Memorial in honor of legendary Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the Arabian Sea, which would be the tallest statue in the world, has been pending for over 2 decades. However, with Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis assuring the government is committed to it, hopes have arisen again. The Shiv Smarak project is one of the most ambitious projects ever undertaken, as the construction would happen on a small island in the Arabian Sea. The erstwhile Congress NCP Democratic Front conceived the project, and it was included in the joint manifesto in the run-up to the 2004 Vidhan Sabha elections. The Congress NCP took the project ahead and prepared the designs. However, actual work never took off during the tenure of governments headed by Vilasrao Deshmukh, Ashok Chavan and Prithviraj Chavan. In 2014, when Devendra Fadnavis came to power, he made efforts, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed the Jal Pujan and Bhumi Pujan. However, for some or the other reasons which include environmental issues and protest by fishermen and litigations, Fadnavis' assurance in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah at the historic Raigad Fort has brightened the hopes. Though the Arabian Sea monument faces legal hurdles, the Supreme Court has referred the case to the Bombay High Court, where we will present our case skillfully, he said. We will continue the fight to ensure to build the memorial at the original site. We will never give up. We are Mawalas of Maharaj. We will take it ahead. This is our firm resolve, said Fadnavis. The proposed statue would be around 1.5 kilometers into the maintained that constructing a memorial of this scale in the Arabian Sea was not feasible. It is impossible and impractical to build the memorial of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the Sea of Mumbai. The government will have to create an artificial Bhavan complex in Mumbai. A few months ago, Yuvraj Sambhaji Raje Chhatrapati, the 13th descendant of Shivaji Maharaj from the Kolhapur royal family, slammed the government for not being able to turn the dream project into a reality. Shiv Smarak. The idea of the Shiv Smarak was conceived in 2004 by the then Congress NCP Democratic Front government in the run-up to Vidhan Sabha polls. The 25th of May 2016, the first big protest against the memorial staged by the fisherfolk community of Mumbai led by Paramparik Makimar Seva Samiti. The 24th of December 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed the Jal Pujan and Bhumi Pujan for the grand project. The 1st of March 2018, a letter of acceptance was issued to the contracting firm Larsen & Toubro to begin construction of the project. The 14th of August 2022, veteran politician Vinayak Meet, who was spearheading the demand for reservation for the Marathas and construction of Grand Memorial of Shivaji Maharaj, passed away in a road accident on Mumbai-Pune Expressway.